In the exercise 4 we have this model. The material is alloy steel. The fixture is fixed geometry and is applied to those holes. And the force is applied to the annular face of the model here, 3,500 pounds. So we have to calculate what is the maximum resultant displacement in millimeters on the annular face of the model, and then we have to answer are those results valid or not. So let's open our model X4 like this. So first let's go to simulation, let's go to options, default options, make sure you have English IPS, and here for the pressure stress let's choose PSI. For a mesh we're gonna go with mesh quality high. Let's click OK. So let's create a new static study. Let's name this study X4. And let's click OK. So the first step is to apply material. So we have the same, we have alloy steel, apply and close. And now let's create a fixture. So right click, fixed geometry. And we're gonna choose this face here on this hole and this one here. Like this. And let's click OK. Now let's go with force. Right click on the external loads. Let's go with force. We have force on this face, this annular face. And here we have our value force, 3,500 pounds, like this. Direction is good and we can click OK. And now let's mesh and run our study. Right click, mesh and run. And those are our results. And now we want to check what is the maximum resultant displacement on the annular face. So let's double click on the displacement. Let's right click. Let's go to edit definition. And here we have display resultant displacement, but we must answer in millimeters. So let's click here and let's go with millimeters. Now let's go to chart options. And here under display options, let's check show maximum annotation. And now we don't have the result accurate, we have to click OK. So let's click OK, and the result is 2.621. And this is the maximum displacement. In the second question, we have to answer are our result valid or not. Let's double click on the stress. And here we can see that our maximum stress passed yield strength. If that happens, then our results are not valid. The other way how you can check this, we can go to results folder, right click, and we can define factor of safety plot. So let's choose this one and let's click OK. And we can see that our factor of safety minimum is 0.349, and this is below 1. If you have below 1, then your model is not safe. The results are not valid. So in this case, you will have to change some material, or maybe you should add some material to get a more stronger and safer model.